No long intros. Your phone still has storage, but they are hidden. This is how to see the storage and actually use it. First, you open settings. On settings, you scroll down to general. On general, you click on iPhone storage. Here on iPhone storage, you scroll down and you click on system data. Now, as you can see, system data is taking a whole lot. That's about 6 GB, and it's actually much. So once that you've confirmed that your system data is taking a whole lot of your storage, first thing that you can do at this point is to actually restart your phone. Yes, you can restart your phone, and this is going to have effect on your system data. Another thing that you can do is to clear Safari cake. I taught how to click that in my previous video, how to clear your Safari cake in my previous video. To clear Safari cake, you open settings. On settings, you scroll down to apps. Here on apps, you scroll down to Safari. Having clicked on Safari, scroll down, and then you see clear history and website data, and you click on it. Now you can choose if you want to clear all history today and yesterday or just today. Doing this is going to save you from a whole lot of storage, yes, without you having to delete any important file. It's actually a hidden space in your phone. Now, this is a very hidden space on your phone, and is that most of these apps like YouTube and the likes of it actually have hidden media. Yeah, like you made some download and you've already watched this download, but you've not deleted the download because you forgot. This is actually taking up storage on your phone. So you make sure you go to these apps. For example, it could be YouTube. Go there, go to your downloads and delete all your downloads. This is gonna help free up a bunch of space on your iPhone. Another hidden space on your iPhone is the recently deleted folder on your Photos app and any other app. Whenever deleting something, there's definitely the trash can or whatever. Whatever you deleted has not yet left your phone storage, so make sure you visit the recently deleted folder to delete it further. This setting is very necessary to free up storage on your iPhone. You open settings, and settings you scroll down to apps. On apps, you click on App Store. Here, you scroll down and you see offload unused apps. As you can see, mine is on. If yours is turned off, make sure you turn it on, as this is going to help you free up storage on your iPhone without you having to delete all your files. Yes, it's more like you creating a hidden space in your phone. If you watched to this point, I'm sure you learned something new. Thanks for watching.